clinical trial is the scientific way that we determine whether new interventions, therapies, diagnostic techniques actually work.
A clinical trial ranges from anything that involves human subjects, patients, and drug treatments, trials of new drug treatments, or perhaps an investigation about the course of their disease.
Clinical trials are really important because they're a way that a drug that's been studied in a laboratory setting or even in a few patients actually gets FDA approved and out for patients to use.
If we want to continue to have new treatments, we have to support clinical research. There is no other way to get new treatments without going through the exercise of getting patients enrolled in trials.
The Institute of Medicine report that was recently done really emphasized the power of the patient and the healthcare provider communities really banding together, a call to arms, if you will.
We think it's really important as a family to be involved in any kind of research studies or clinical trials, because in order to make a difference, it's so essential to be involved in those sorts of initiatives.
I don't think I realized how you were really right there on the cutting edge, where they weren't sure if it was going to help your child. And when it did, they were so elated.
These trials can provide therapies either for your child or a child with a similar disorder, and they may also prevent your child or another child from receiving a medication in which the harm may outweigh the benefits, but we can't determine that unless we look at a large number of people.
A lot of people that I've had at my site in clinical trials have always, even if the drug didn't work for them, they feel that it was worthwhile being in that clinical trial because at least I gave it a shot. And for the people where the drug really worked, it's tremendous.
Be inquisitive, ask your doctors, and find out if you can learn more about your condition and whether there are clinical trials that match your very specific form of epilepsy.
The biggest thing I can say to patients is that clinical trials are critical. The reason people have the medications they're taking now, it's because people did trials, and you can be that bridge to the future.